Hello to all traders, welcome to this Monday's Marketing Insights video. I'm back, and this week we're going to start with, some interesting pairs on the policy perspective. We have the Bank of Sweden, Norway, Mexico, and also New Zealand delivering their statements for the monetary policy throughout this week, and we're going to start with those four. Now, we are also expecting Fetcher and other members, of course, to speak about the effectiveness of all those packages that have been supported by the banks. But the question is how much really banks can really take on. There's going to be more restrictions apparently in the UK and the EU, okay, concerning COVID-19 cases. But at the same time, we also need to take into consideration that going forward, at least for the UK, that the business support loans are going to be also probably extended, okay, at least in the UK so far. While in Europe, they're still considering, there is still uncertainty, but most likely they're going to review the main pandemic crisis fighting tools as well and assess whether they will need to also extend the support on that end as well. With markets remaining under pressure, it's going to be a very interesting week, because if this decline continues, then it might take us a while to reverse back. So without further ado, I want to start something that we haven't actually looked with the dollar against the Swedish krona. I'm looking at this as a combination over here, W, X, and Y. I believe we are just finished wave B and we're moving down for wave C because it looks quite impulsive. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here for A, B, and C. For B, with B a nice triangle here over here, and now since we move below wave 3 over here, I think that this is going to be the first wave to the downside. Okay, we've had this correction down to the 50 Fibonacci retracement. Okay, and I believe now we're going to get a move to the upside, perhaps the 38.2 for dollar against SEK, and this was going to be wave 2 in the intermediate degree. Then we're going to get 3, 4, and 5 to to complete this wave X in an ABC primary, and from there, of course, then the upside potential can be as well very big. But in the medium to long term, not in the long term, we're looking at to reach the previous low. I would actually go down to this wave first, okay, to the 6.28, but before we head there, we need to break the 7.81. Okay. Let's have a quick look on dollar against Mexican peso. For this, we can go down on the daily chart, to be honest. I've been looking at this in the with an impulsive eye over here. This is primary wave 5, but also at the same time is cycle wave 3. So I think this is an ABC, and ABC. So most likely we're going to see prices moving a little bit lower, okay, and perhaps we could be driven down to 20.60 or so, or even lower down to the 100 Fibonacci extension, which is about around 18.94 or so, to complete wave 4 of this impulsive move, and then move all the way up to fresh highs to complete wave 5, because I do really see this as some sort of ending open diagonal here in primary wave 5, right? So I'm expecting another move down here before we shoot higher once again. Dollar against the Norwegian krona, a similar pattern here, with either prices having ended and then we're moving down impulsively for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We've done wave 1, we're expecting wave 2 to come in, perhaps have a nice double top here at 9.81, which is the previous wave 4, and move all the way down. Or the other scenario is that this is indeed also a cycle wave 3, okay, and this is going to be cycle wave 4, which means that this is perhaps an A, we're going to see a B, and we're going to see a D, a C. We're going to have a double bottom here at wave 4 for primary 4, okay, and then we're going to move again higher, very similar to USDMXN. The alternative, however, not the basis scenario, let's just say. And then last, I want to have a quick look also on the Kiwi against the dollar. We talked about this being an ABC, right? So I'm still expecting some more upside. I do believe, of course, wave A is done because we've had this impulsive move completed. This looks corrective. This looks impulsive. So it potentially is wave 2. We are now on wave 3. It could be multi-structural wave 3. Then we're going to get 4 and wave 5, wave C, and then all the way down. So I think we still have some more upside for the QE as well, right? And once we actually complete the 3-wave move here on the upside in the current degree, right, we could start considering a potential reversal all the way down to, well, to previous wave 4 FES, 63 or so, and then even perhaps to the previous low around the 54 cents. So thank you for watching, and we'll speak again tomorrow.